guys, this is your host and Dost Satish and welcome back to another new video. So guys, just now you have seen some video clip and photos. This is a farmhouse of the Kochi, Kerala. So friends, let's make a home tour of this farmhouse, the best place in Kochi, Kerala. You just love it guys. This house is amazing. So guys, this is the small dream house for your dream holiday. Guys, this is the entry gate for your dream holiday house for small family. After enter, you got one big hall full on wooden finishing. Also you got a small kitchen with back door in the kitchen, one small window, and this is one bathroom in front of sea view. This is one master bedroom. This all are wooden finishing guys. This looking amazing. You just love it. And this is the hall. This is the entry gate guys. One small garden in front of house. This is looking amazing guys. You just love it. And one back door, and back you want to full sea view area. This is looking amazing. This is one back door entry gate from the kitchen. This dream house, you got all finishing by wood and floor fully marble, looking gorgeous. So finally guys, this is the complete home tour of this farmhouse. Friend, this place is around 10 to 15 km from the Ernakulam South Railway Station and 30 to 35, around 40 km from the Kochi International Airport. To know all the detail of the house, you just see now, you can message me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, and you will also get a link in the description, my Instagram link in the description. To know the detail of the all booking criteria, you can message me on my Instagram or Facebook. You can also guys comment below, and if you like it guys, please hit the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Here some more photos clip around this farmhouse. You can just, if you want to book this place, just message me on comment below and subscribe my channel. And also you can follow me on my social media. All social media links in the description guys. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Here some videos and photo clips also you can see. If you love this, please hit the like button. Thank you.